Hey guys, want to give you an update what we got going on. Voila, 2 more of my lights came in. We found one of these stand things. Basically it's spring loaded, it goes to the ceiling. It's a coat rack, but they're adjustable where you can swing them in and out, so that makes it where I can actually swing the light further away or closer to the tower. And it's really working out awesome. I actually found 2 more of these online. I have them coming, so we'll be hanging the other once the other light shows up, and then we'll be hanging that light as well on the far end from it as well, so that way they'll all be adjustable, and we'll move that bar back over to the rack over here. So anyways, just wanted to give you an update. These lights are Duralux, I believe is what they're T5s, dual T5s. They're not the best well made. However, they both work. I'll give you a further update as we go along on them, because they were only $37, and they're pretty bright. I mean, they're doing what we need them to do, and they're 6500K, and they're 10,000 lumens. So they're definitely doing what we need them to do. Anyways, everything's going good. Look how much my onions have grown. Oh my goodness. We already ate off the lettuce down here, and they're starting to come back again. Anyways, that's it for now, guys. I'll give you an update the next time we got something else going on. See ya.